Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Amrit Amo Photography. My name is Amrit and I'm a trained and certified newborn and baby photographer based in Mumbai. Today's video is going to be about our online newborn photography workshop that I take on Zoom. It happens in a group scenario as well as in a one-on-one setup, and this is something which is specially available to the students who cannot attend the workshop in my studio. So today's video is going to be about the feedback that my student has to share from her 3 days online workshop with me on Zoom, which happened one-on-one. So let me get started with today's video as I share her feedback, and also wait till the last of the video wherein I will share how you can also attend this workshop online with me very easily and learn newborn photography to kickstart your career as a newborn photographer. So without any further delay, let's get started in today's vlog. So we have our online newborn photography course going on, and we have our student Harman who has joined us from Mohali in Chandigarh, near Chandigarh, and I'm so grateful that you joined our online newborn photography class, and we just finished our day 1. So Harman, how was your experience?
Oh, very good. I'm so glad I waited for these 3-4 months just to get to this, and for this to be my first, first step towards being a newborn photographer. Two reasons for choosing you is I have spammed your Instagram and I've spammed your YouTube, and I think you're the first person who did an Indian person who did a studio tour. So I think that's something that I've really connected with, because that's what I am in the process of doing for myself. And so seeing someone who is very nicely explaining and showing their studio and talking about it, I think I resonated the most with that. And secondly, of course, I love their work. And thirdly, having this online, because sometimes it's really not possible to get to this place. I have small babies, so I didn't want to push it further. And every time I would see courses of in-person training, I would want to do it in the future too, of course, with you. But I couldn't get there. So when I saw this online thing, I was like, this has to be my first step. Like this, I have to do this. And this was our first day, and I have loved it. I've loved everything. One very important thing is there are numerous courses where you get videos and you just see them and you're done. But in this case, the biggest reason I chose to do this with you is because you're right there. I am understanding from you, and if I have a doubt, I'm going to ask you right there and then, and you're going to explain it to me so beautifully. So this one-on-one thing is the most unique experience, and I think it's very necessary for newborn, because this is not like any other photography where you just have the camera and you have adults and you're shooting them. There is so much to learn here, and I'm so glad I'm doing this.
Thank you, Harman. Thanks for choosing. I think it's been a wonderful day with you today as we get started, and really thankful that you waited for 2-3 months to join this course. So thanks a lot, and I look forward to see you tomorrow.
Most welcome. Yes. Yes.
So Harman, how was your second day of the workshop?
The best. Actually, I was really looking forward to it. I think it's like working with the baby is such a nice experience, and I was also looking forward to learning the raps. And nothing like having somebody sit right in front of you and teach you and correct you right there and then. So yeah, love the class today.
Awesome. So yes, we'll meet tomorrow then for our last day.
Yes.
And I hope today's session was insightful, and do practice.
Yes.
Practice
Yes.
will make you perfect. Yeah.
Yes.
Your experience?
Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. If I could, I would love to be there. But this is not, this is just amazing. Like nothing that I miss on, except that being there in the studio itself. I just love the experience. The most, I think something that I like the most is you as an educator. The way you teach and the way you've put, and brushed everything in my head down is beautiful. I have learned photography like years back from someone, started from there, किसी ने मुझे ऐसी सिंपल सी बात इतनी सिंप्लिसिटी से नहीं सिखाई कि मुझे भूले ना, you know. So how we did the basics of photography, I was like, oh my god, why did it feel like so difficult back then, and why did it feel so easy today? Because it was put in such a simplified manner. And even the wrapping, I was so scared to death every time I would see I had the stuff. It was overwhelming to see the stuff. It was overwhelming to open YouTube and even try to figure out ki karna kya hai. So I thought, I'm not going to touch anything. Everything stays as it is till the time I get to you and we open the stuff and we do something. And I'm so glad that I did not experiment myself, because I think I would have just gotten too scared and maybe given up on the whole thing altogether, because I do get very overwhelmed. But how we did the wrapping, it just those 3 wraps, I thought I'll forget, but I didn't, were so beautifully, like I just got them in like 1 second. और मुझे लगता है मुझे भूलेंगे भी नहीं, ये तीनों तो नहीं भूलेंगे.
Amazing.
So I think, और वो सबसे best बात है, because what happens is when you're doing any online class, you just see, or even YouTube for that matter, you see, nobody's correcting you. You can't ask that person, okay, this is not working, or do you take the hands out, or you don't take the hands out. So these little things make a huge difference in the way you learn and the way your brain processes and remembers for the rest of their life. So this was fabulous. Thank you so much. I am so grateful that you've done this for me, sitting miles away. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Harman, and it was absolutely a pleasure to do this course with you one-on-one online, and I am thrilled that it met your expectations. So that's really something that I'm very happy about as we sign off. So thanks a lot, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. So friends, this was about today's video where my student shared her feedback from the 3 days online workshop that she attended online with me on Zoom, and it happened on a one-on-one scenario. So yes, if you would also like to join such workshop with me, then all you need to do is you need to check out the information provided in the description. You can reach out to me on email or on my number directly, or you can also visit www.amritamu.com/workshops, where you will find more information about joining this online workshop along with all the details. So yes, this was about today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching and it was insightful for you to understand what this workshop will cover for you. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time very soon with many more such videos. Till then, bye and take care.